We have a little change of scenery here today because it's the holiday season and I have some amazing gift ideas to share with you. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you from my living room where I have decorated for Christmas because that is the holiday that myself and my family celebrates. This is part one of a multi-part series just because I can't cover everything in just one video. There are just too many things that I like and I want to be able to get to everything and really focus on each thing. So before we start this video, before we get into all the products, get yourself comfortable, get yourself a hot cocoa. I have mine with some peppermint chips in it, and we will get started now. So for this video, we're focusing on skincare and self-care. At least once a week, I love to do some masking, some self-care, take some time out for myself, and just get my skin looking a little bit better. And this holiday season, what better gift to give than the Glam Go Ultimate Star Set. My little bow kind of fell off, my son grabbed it, but it's already got a bow on it, so you don't even have to worry about packaging it. Now this set, which by the way is an amazing value, features some gorgeous art deco, which is perfect for the second round of the Roaring 20s because it is 2020. It might not have been a good year, but we can definitely end on a good note. So this set, when you open it up, outside of its gorgeous packaging that I wouldn't even wrap this up, you get 4 full-size muds. That's amazing, an amazing value, but you have the whole collection right here. Now if you're wondering, what could you possibly do with 4 muds? Like, why would you need 4 separate masking? I'm going to turn you guys on to multi-masking. If you've never heard about this before, the whole concept is about targeting areas on your face with different masks. So instead of slathering a whole mask on that may not be good for that area of your skin, you do multi-masking. So the first one you'll get in the set is the Super Mud. This is kind of like your all-in-one, does a little bit of everything. You can put it all over your face, kind of mud. It's also a clearing treatment, which means it's really great for those of you guys that are acne prone. It's a little bit harsher on sensitive skins. I have sensitive skin, so I tend to use this maybe once a month, and it really helps to tackle those areas on my face that are experiencing a little bit of acne. I get a lot of hormonal acne, and also sometimes my forehead, I'll pop it on. The Gravity Mud, which is the purple container, is perfect for firming. It's actually the firming treatment. Gravity, anti-gravity, get it? It's a great play on words. And it helps to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, fine lines, deep set wrinkles, adds hydration, and just helps skin to look just a little bit more firmer, a little bit tighter. Great for those of us that are heading into middle age or at middle age or beyond. Great for mature skin as well. And it's pretty gentle on the skin. I like to use this specifically only around the forehead, sometimes over here where I have my little parentheses. Try to get rid of those wrinkles at least once a week. Next up, in the blue container, we have Thirsty Mud, and this is the hydrating treatment. If you're like me and you have combination skin or an oily T-zone and dry cheeks, this is going to help balance your skin. So in the areas where I'm dry, I would apply it on the cheek area to add a little bit more hydration, and then would use, say, the firming here, etc. Thirsty Mud is great for you guys that need a little bit extra hydration in spot areas or all over your face. Lastly, we have Youth Mud. This is the black container, and this one is perfect for getting glowing, youthful skin. So you can see how they all work together. Glowing, hydrating, firming, you get it all with these muds. So I'm going to show you guys how I multi-mask in my targeted areas. If you're at home and you're wondering how you can multi-mask, I'm here to help you. So all of the masks are off. My skin is a little bit red. This tends to happen when I use the masks, which is why I only use them about once a month, but my skin feels incredibly softer. I do definitely see a more glowing, youthful appearance. I do see a reduction in the fine lines that I have up here. Definitely works like it's supposed to and is great for gifting, whether you're giving the whole set as one big gift or breaking it up and giving them as individual gifts, whether you're multi-masking or singular masking. It's a great product for the holiday season, especially with all the stress that our skin is under. Self-care sometimes starts right with our face, and gifting the gift of self-care and skincare. And I think it's kind of priceless when we tell someone, hey, take some time out and focus on yourself for a minute, even if it is just masking care. I've already done a video all about turning 35 and the different concerns I have for my skin and self-care in general. It's this video here, and I'll have a link in the info section below so you guys can easily go to it if you want to check it out fully. But I want to tell you guys all about this amazing kit from Drunk Elephant. This is the Firmy kit. It's a great value for the holiday season. It's $88, but you get $127 value of your products. This set is specifically for those of you guys that want to firm your skin a little bit. It's actually called Firmy for that reason, and it really helps to tackle anti-aging and hydration when it comes to the skin. So I've already shown this off in my I Turned 35 video, but I want to run through with you guys again why this set is amazing, why you need it, and why it makes the perfect gift to anybody in your life, whether they are concerned about aging or not, because let's face it, we all got skin and it ages, so it's good to focus on it no matter what age you are. But it makes a great gift for mothers, sisters, grandmothers, anybody that's getting married. It's just a great gift, and the minis are super easy to travel with, so they could just pop them out. Not that many people are traveling this holiday season, but you could pop these out and give them as a small gift to somebody as well. You don't have to give the whole set to one person either. When using this kit, I suggest use it as part of an AM routine or a pre-makeup routine, because it's really going to help your skin look as fresh as possible all day long. Personally, I love using this kit in the morning as part of an AM routine and also as a pre-makeup routine because it contains products that have SPF, moisturizing, and even slightly bronzing. So it's definitely not something you would use as part of an AM PM routine unless you're cutting out that deep bronzing, which adds that little bit of bronzing to the skin. But you can definitely use this product in a lot of different ways because there's so many products that come in the product. So definitely check out this set from Drunk Elephant. This candle is from Shalant, and it is just perfect for the holiday season. There are full sticks of cinnamon in here, as well as fresh leaves in here, and the candle is made from gel. It smells absolutely amazing. And as you let it stay lit, it creates a little lantern-like appearance. This is perfect for the candle lover in your life, and I'll be leaving a link to this in the info section below. And you can also check out my feature on the Shalant candle in my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com. So be sure to also support small businesses this holiday season. As we continue to talk about self-care and gifting, I couldn't possibly forget Hot Girls Pearls. You heard me, Hot Girls Pearls. I want to tell you guys about this amazing product, but let me first put them on. So while this may look like a really cute fashion accessory, it has a really ingenious purpose. So let me put this on, you guys. It has a really easy to use magnetic closure. So now that I have my Hot Girls Pearls on, I want to tell you guys all about this product and how it works. Simply pop Hot Girls Pearls in your freezer, and when you're feeling a bit of a hot flash, simply put them on. So whether you're going through menopause, you're pregnant, or you're having anxiety, Hot Girls Pearls will help cool you down and help you get through the most stressful parts of the holiday season and beyond. I personally love how beautiful they look, and nobody would know why you're wearing them, and they would think you're just wearing a cute accessory. And it's reusable. You can freeze it multiple times. Just pop it in the freezer 3 hours before wear, and you're good to go. And did I mention that it comes with a carrying case? So if you happen to be out and you still want to use your Hot Girls Pearls, this case will keep them nice and cool for you on the go. So I've been mentioning how skincare is self-care, and there's one product that I think will suit nearly any skincare lover on your holiday list this season, even if it's yourself. The Shiny Nickel Beauty Blue Bliss Beauty Oil. It's a little bit of a tongue twister, but this oil is a balancing and nourishing face oil that you can use as part of a makeup routine, a skincare routine, AM routine, PM routine. If you have a skincare lover, they're gonna want this. This is super lightweight, just is absorbed by the skin so easily. A little bit goes a long way, and the best way I like to apply it is by pressing it into the pores. It also works well with a geisha tool or a quartz roller. Really helps to apply this product Don't be shy. You don't have to just use it on your face. You can also use it on the back of your hands. I love adding a little bit of hydration, especially during the winter months. This product has a slightly minty smell, so it also kind of captures that feeling of the holiday season. This is also from a smaller business, so you'd be supporting small businesses as well. A link to this will be in my info section below. This holiday season and this year in general has looked quite a bit different than years in the past. We've had a big focus on keeping ourselves clean, wearing masks, sanitizing, and it's been a little bit overwhelming. I have a product that I want to show you guys that's perfect not just for gifting this holiday season, especially if you do have people coming in and you want to make sure that everybody's keeping sanitized and clean. Lots of hand cleaning. You definitely want to check out LA Splash All-in-One Sanitizing Spray. LA Splash actually sent me a big old box of all of their sprays in this with some gorgeous tinsel and everything. And I was hooked from first spray. I want to show you guys all the varieties. So LA Splash released an all-in-one sanitizing spray that you can even put your name on, so everybody knows whose bottle is theirs and nobody's getting cross-contaminated this holiday season. They also released a hand sanitizer that contains 70% alcohol, so you're killing all of those germs, and this also can have your name placed on it. They come in a few different scents. For example, the ones I have here are orange creamsicle and peppermint. This is part of the So Fresh and So Clean line. I know you guys who are millennials are at least hopefully at home singing along to some Outcasts with me when I said that. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, I'm lame. That's okay. I don't care. I let my freak flag fly. My husband is laughing at me, you guys. That's okay. I'm okay with that. They also have scents of they also have a fragrance-free variety. They also have a fragrance-free variety if you do not like to have fragrance on your body. They have a lemon scent, a lavender scent for calming, because the holiday season could be hella stressful. And they also have one that is cherry blossom. So there are a lot of different scents to check out, a lot of different ways to keep sanitized and protected this holiday season, and LA Splash literally has you covered. While you're getting your gifting list ready for this holiday season, are you considering sustainability? I have one brand for you guys that is all about sustainability, recyclable packaging, and reduced waste. So I want to tell you guys all about the brand My Carrie by Kao. I hope I'm saying that right, K-A-O. And they are a Japanese-inspired, Amazon-exclusive, sustainably driven, recyclable packaging, reduced waste brand, and they have a lot of different products, and I want to show you guys because these are perfect for gifting or just keeping around the house. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is the Pampering Yuzu Foam Body Wash. I'm going to show you guys how fun this is. Let me take this off. First of all, it has a really focused, look at that, foam. Really fun, and it's so hydrating, and it smells so fresh. But not only that, but this packaging is totally refillable. All refills come in these very thin bags, and you can easily refill through the very wide mouth of the top of this. It uses 82% less plastic, it's 100% recyclable, 99% biodegradable, and vegan friendly. And they don't just do body wash, you guys. They have a lot of different products that I'm so excited to show you. My favorite, another one of my favorites, is the Yuzu Flower Foam Hand Wash. Again, which is super important not only for the holiday season, but with everything going on with COVID, hand washing is a must. This is a great way to get your kids to start washing their hands. I actually keep it in my kids' bathroom. I want to show you how adorable this is. Place the product upside down in your hand, and you get a cute little star on your hand. Definitely perks up the kids when they see that. Boom, wash your hands, and it helps to hydrate your hands as well. Just like the body wash that I showed you guys, this is completely refillable, vegan, less waste, really great for the environment. When I think about gifts for self-care, I often think about bath products, which is why I love that they also have shampoo, conditioner, as well as a nourishing hand wash that's in a more adult form. This line is amazing because it features packaging that pretty much is filled with air. So it's like little air pockets keep the bottles upright. As you use it, they empty out and eventually are as small as, say, a Capri Sun package. So it's really great to choose a product that has minimal plastic and ease of recyclability this holiday season, and a great way to relax, and you can give the gift of sustainability to pretty much anybody with this line of products. I absolutely love how they make my skin feel, how moisturizing they are, how hydrating they are, and again, this whole line, this My Carry line, is an Amazon exclusive, and it brings the whole Japanese beauty and skincare to your home. While I'm enjoying a little bit of hot cocoa while filming this for you guys, there's one thing that I absolutely love, and that's tea. But did you know that you can use tea for your body and your hair? I recently discovered Earth's Nectar. This is botanical hair and skin tea. It is loose leaf tea that you put right into your tub. It's a great way to relax or give a gift of relaxation to someone you love this holiday season. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use that now. This is perfect for most hair types, including wavy, straight, coily, and curly. And it's perfect for all skin types and really leaves your skin just refreshed and feeling amazing. It helps remove product buildup as well as excess oil from your hair, while also removing impurities and conditioning, and leaves skin hydrated and smelling fresh when used in a bath. For the last product that I want to show you guys as part of the self-care, skincare, gift giving, and self-gift guide is some CO Bigelow. West Village Rose hand wash, as well as the antibacterial hand sanitizer, is the perfect gift for the old school person in your life. Personally, I love anything retro, anything just a little bit unique, and this checks off a lot of boxes. These products are perfectly unisex, and they smell amazing and keep your hands both hydrated and cleaned. CO Bigelow was actually established in 1838 in New York City, and the store still exists in New York today, and when you go in there, you're transported to the 1800s. So it's a great way to kind of give to somebody that just has that affinity for something just a little bit different, something with a little flair, and something that definitely harkens back to a time of just a little bit more simplicity. These are developed by their in-house chemists and never tested on animals. So regardless of your holiday plans this season, there are lots of amazing gifts to be given, both to the ones you love and to yourself, and always remember that it's important to take care of yourself as well. Gifts to ourselves sometimes come in the form of products or just taking a moment out to self-care and address any issues we may be having, like anxiety and hot flashes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 to my gift giving guide. Next up, we'll be talking about additional skincare as well as some makeup, and I'm so excited to be showing you my picks for that. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like and leave a comment. Let me know what product you have your eye on this holiday season, or what gifts you're looking forward to getting the most. If you aren't already, please head over and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you can know when my next videos go up. If you want any additional information on any of the products seen here, you can head to the info section. I'll have lots of clickable links as well as additional information. You can also head over to my blog, www.thecosmoholic.blog, where I always put some extra supplemental information as well. If you're on Instagram, you can check me out at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, or at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and happy holiday season!